Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing to D, drawing with the help of FreeCAD workbenches, such as Part Design, Draft and Part Workbench, and tools like Extrude, Draft, Pocket, Linear Pattern, Shape from Text, Array, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to create this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. The body is inserted automatically. Here are the dimensions and the steps. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool, and then we add a draft angle to the side faces. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Sketch a rectangular profile 90 by 12 millimeters. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 90 millimeters. Now, we add to each side a draft angle of 6 degrees. First, select the faces and activate the neutral plane button and then select the upper face. In step 2, we sketch the cutout profile to remove material from the created solid part with the help of the Pocket tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select again the XZ plane. Create the construction line for the reference. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. Select the endpoints and the symmetry axis and then the Symmetry tool. Now, assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the options through All and Symmetry. Now, we use the Linear Pattern tool to create the other cutouts. Select the created pocket and then activate the Linear Pattern tool. Set the length to 49 millimeters and the occurrences to 3. Now, we create the same profile on the YZ plane. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. The procedure to create the pocket is the same as the previous example. As you see, the 3D part is ready. Now, we add fillets to the edges. Select all faces and activate the Fillet tool. Set the radius to 0.5 millimeters. Now, we change the appearance of the created part. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the video. In the next step, I will show you how to create a text on a created part. First, switch from Part Design Workbench to Draft Workbench. Select the face and activate the Utilities tool and then select the option Select Plane. Now, activate Shape from Text tool and then set the position, the size, and the text type in the dialog window. In the string field, type the text Choco. Select the text type from Windows Library. Now rotate the text to the correct position with Rotation tool. In this dialog window, you have the possibility to fine-tune the position and also to change the appearance of the text. Now we switch to Part Workbench and give thickness to the created text with the help of Extrude tool. Change the display mode to shaded. The next step is to create the text everywhere. Switch again to Draft Workbench. Select the created text and activate the Array tool. In the first dialog box, set the number of texts in both X and Y directions. In the second and third dialog boxes, set the distance between the texts in X and Y directions. Click OK to confirm. At the moment, the 3D solid part and the text are two different components. To make them one part or component, we switch again to Part Workbench. Select the body and the array and then activate the Union tool. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.